Hey guys, Noah here. Welcome back to my channel. Or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. This video is going to be decorating my apartment with all 99-cent store items for Halloween. I'm so excited to show you guys what I'm going to do today. I decorate for Halloween every year, and it's funny because I don't decorate for like every single holiday. I don't do Valentine's Day, Easter, that kind of stuff, but I always do Halloween and Christmas. Those are pretty much it. One of the things I do want to mention is I don't spend a lot of money decorating. I actually decorate 2 or 3 main areas in my house. I always do my front door, my entryway table, and my countertops. So those are the 3 main areas that I decorate. I do also get a few other things that I will share with you guys Halloween related. The whole thing is you can get all this stuff at the 99-cent store. You don't have to spend a ton of money. All the stuff I got, if you would have went to like Target, you would have spent $200 like easily for like the same stuff. Maybe it's not as good quality and it won't last every single year. Like a lot of the stuff you throw out, which I know like if you go to Target and you buy some of this stuff, like you could save it, but a lot of this stuff you can save. I still have stuff from last year that I'm going to be pulling out. I think it's amazing. I spent exactly $30 at the 99-cent store today. A lot of it is like you don't even need it. Like you could have went and spent $20 and gotten a ton of amazing stuff. So I'm really excited to share with you guys. So I've got 2 bags full of goodies. We're just gonna dive into it. So I have this little pumpkin guy sticking out. He's one of my favorites because I kind of do something like this every year and I put it on my front door. So it's just like a little scary, it says hanging pumpkin ghost. So he looks like this. Take it down now, but there you go. You can get a better idea of what it looks like. So it's just like a scary pumpkin ghost and I'm gonna hang it on my front door and it's just so cute. I love it. It's super, super, super long. So yeah, that's the first item I got. I think one year I did a skeleton and then another year like a little scary clown looking thing. So I kind of always do something a little bit different. They have these at the 99-cent store. These are door covers. So I got this one that says caution, stay away, and it's bloody. I really love to do like a lot of bloody things. Like I want it to be scary. Like I don't want Halloween to be cutesy. I want it to be scary. So that's kind of like a lot of the stuff I get is like that. So I'm gonna completely cover my door with this, put the pumpkin ghost on it, and then decorate a little bit more so you'll see. So another thing I always get is a garland, and this is so cute. It's got like a pumpkin, a ghost, I don't even know, a bunch of other things, and I kind of drape this usually along my entryway table, so I'm pretty sure I'm gonna do that same thing. You could also hang it around your door. I just think it's super cute to have. You know what I might even do this year? I might put this in my window so like people from the street can see it, and then that way it would just be super festive, because the only people who see my door are like people in my building that walk past it. That's pretty much it, because it's a secured building. But I still love to decorate it because every time I come home and I see that door decorated, like it just makes me feel in the Halloween spirit. I love doing that and I definitely recommend it even if nobody can see your door besides you. I always get something like this. This is a tinsel garland and it's black and white and it has little cute ghosts on it, and I just thought this was super fun. Ghosts? No, skeletons. Or no, it looks like a Frankenstein skeleton. I don't even know, but look how cute it is. Oh, I'm just dying for this. I'll probably decorate my entryway table with this. You could also hang this around the door. So fun. I always pick these up because mine gets super dirty and it doesn't come out and like clean well. These are little pot holders and I just think they're super cute, hanging in the kitchen, so it spices up your kitchen a little bit. All the stuff I've mentioned so far I believe is all 99 cents, because you know how sometimes they have things that's not. Besides the pumpkin ghost, he's $2.99, but everything else so far was 99 cents. So then I picked up 2 of these, and these are like spider webs with like little fake spiders on them. It should be interesting. I haven't used this kind before, but I thought it was interesting, so I did pick up 2, and they're 99 cents each. I also like to have a sign on my entryway table that's Halloween related, so I just thought this one was cute because of the green and the black, but it just says haunted, and I think that's gonna look super cute. And then this was just something funny. I always like to get a headband. Last year I got like a pumpkin one. I just think it's fun because you could throw it on, not necessarily be in costume, but still be festive. Found this one. I don't know if you guys could tell. It's like little screws. Should I wear this for the rest of the video? Yeah, let's do it. It's cute. So I always do a headband. I don't know why, and I still have my one from last year. I have like cat ear ones, I've got pumpkin ones, so funny. So another thing I got that I kind of want to put next to my front door, maybe on my like doormat, when you like clean your feet, I'm gonna put this on it, and it's a bloody foot. I just think it's so cute. This was actually only 99 cents. They do have like more realistic looking ones that are like $2.99 or $1.99, but I thought this was perfect. Then another thing I always get is a bowl, because it's really cool to put candy in a bowl on your entryway table for Halloween. Found this spider bowl. It actually looks like diamondy. It's so cool. It just sits like this, and you can put candy in it right here. I just think it's so adorable. This is actually something I'm definitely gonna be saving year round. Like, I love this. This is so perfect for decor. I'm gonna probably put it on my dining room table or my countertop or my entryway. I'm not sure yet, but it's gonna have candy. Should have bought candy. Oh my God, I'm so dumb. They had so much candy there for 99 cents, and I didn't even think to buy candy, but I guess we'll be going back. Next up is these tape. Okay, so these were so cool, and I didn't need 2 of them, but I had to buy 2 because I just don't know exactly how I'm gonna use it. But it says Halloween creepy cloth, and it's like this net material, if you could see that, and just the way it's draped in there, I thought it would be a really cool, maybe to completely cover my entryway table. Honestly, I'm not sure, or my dining room table, but I loved it so much. I got it in cream and black. I was like, maybe we could have a layering moment. I honestly don't know, but I just thought it was super different, and I've never gotten one of these at the 99-cent store. I don't think I've seen it there before, so I had to pick it up for that reason. The next thing I got is actually for my son. He's a toddler. He's almost 2. He'll be 2 in a couple months, but I got him a little stuffed animal. My son loves stuffed animals. He just likes to hold things, and he won't let go of his toys. So he'll carry around his cars, he'll carry around whatever. But for me, I prefer him to carry around a stuffed animal because it's just, you know, less weight. So I thought this was so cute. It's a little teddy bear in a costume, and it was actually $3.99, which is insane for a stuffed animal at the 99-cent store, but I could not pass it up. So imagine if you tack this off of your bill, $4, $26, and you would have still gotten everything I got. So I just thought this was super cute. I'm gonna give it to him when I pick him up from daycare today, and I'm so excited. I love it. It's so cute. I just gotta spray it down and clean it and make sure it's sanitary. The next thing I got are these syringes. So like I said, I like my Halloween to be scary and gory and like bloody. So I thought this would be cool, just like either taped onto the door, or which I'll probably end up doing, or just like lined on my entryway table. So we'll see how that goes. Another thing I got, and this is kind of something I do a lot, I'll just grab things that I think are cool or cute, but I don't necessarily exactly know where it's gonna go yet. But these are mini bones, and they're just like a bunch of bones in a bag. Like, they're not together, they're all separated. And I just thought this would be cute, maybe sprinkled along my plant shelf or another shelf in the house. I should have gotten more of these just because I think it's so freaking cute, and this I know I can save and use every single year. Definitely love this, and I'm excited to use it. I've never gotten this before. I usually get something you can sprinkle along a shelf, but I just thought this was amazing. So cute. I don't know how 99-cent store does it for so cheap. Last things I got are not necessarily decor, but my son goes to daycare once a week, and there's only like 5 kids in the daycare, so I thought it would be super cute to give them all like a goodie bag or like a treat bag, and something just super small, because their parents might even just throw it away, you know, who knows. But I found these are little Halloween mini favor boxes, and they're super tiny. They have a lid. So I was thinking this would be super cute, and then I'll just throw like a couple things in it. Since it's super small, I had to find things that were very small. But I found these Halloween erasers, and I was thinking I could put a couple erasers in each box along with sticker boxes. I could probably throw one of these in there, so they have stickers in them, which I think is so adorable. Kids love stickers. My son loves stickers. He puts them all everywhere, like all over my walls. I think that would be super cute into the favor boxes. And then I think I got something else. Oh yeah, and then these are felt stickers. So I don't know if I'll end up keeping these and using them, or if I'll stick them in the favor box as well, but I just thought that was cute also. So that's gonna be for the favor boxes. Oh, there's one more thing that I got. Oh, I thought this was cool because it's a hanging decoration, but it's just these hanging bats. And I don't know exactly where I'm gonna hang these, but they're super cute and funny. I figure maybe my window or my door, like somewhere. I just thought this would be super cute. So, yo, all that stuff for under $30. Like, that's really cool. I'm really excited to start decorating. I'm gonna share with you guys what I end up decorating. But without further ado, let me show you guys what I ended up decorating. end of my video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to like this video. Comment down below if you picked up any cool stuff at the 99-cent store. I would actually love to see it. I'm obsessed with 99-cent store Halloween decor, so if you do get some cool stuff, please tag me on Instagram. My Instagram, I'll insert it right here, but it's Casa Rozay. Love to see what you guys end up getting, and with that all being said, I will see you guys in my next video. Stay happy and healthy and safe. I'll see you guys later. Bye.